It's Tuesday, almost 9, and I'm on my way to the cocktail making course. Yesterday I didn't really explain you what I was doing, but I am doing this week a course from 9 to 2 with my mom about the basics of cocktail making, and next week I'm doing one alone about creative cocktails, which I'm doing because I think it's going to be useful for my job, not because I'm a big cocktail making fan, but I think it's going to be nice to learn a bit more about it. So we are doing that again today. It's quite nice, honestly, because every day we're doing a different spirit, and they teach us 5 cocktails from each kind of spirit. So I think today we are doing rum. Yesterday we did gin, and it's nice, but I'm busy all morning doing this for 2 weeks. But anyways, it's gonna be fine. here a week ago, and I felt like I had to go see if everything was alright, because when you leave the car on the street for a long period of time, you never know what might happen. So I'm gonna take it and go to IKEA because I need to find a light and then back home. But it's all good, my baby's good.
Una cajita. Y cuando abres la cajita, una bossata. Això quanto vaig obrir.
Good morning. Today I'm in cala ratjada. We skipped the cocktail workshop, and yesterday I got an allergy. I don't know what. All of a sudden I was on the street and I got this. Now it looks much nicer, but it was all very swollen, and I have no idea. It's probably some kind of tree, but it never happened to me before. I'm gonna go help my mom with some things. I was with my grandma now, having some coffee and watching TV, and yeah, it's gonna be a chill day. We're going now to school. It's raining and my allergy still looks really bad. I don't understand. It's already been 2 days. The course and got a 10 out of 10, so I'm very happy about that. My mom didn't do the exam because she didn't want to get the certificate anyway, but I stayed because next week I'm doing the advanced cocktail making, so I needed to pass this one. And I'm going home. We're gonna have lunch together. My cousin is also coming, and then I'm gonna go to Porto Pi, which is a mall, because I have to pick up some things in Zara, and I have to go to Carrefour to buy everything for my birthday dinner party tomorrow. I'm having friends over at the new apartment. I'm very happy. I think tonight is going to be the first night I sleep there, I wanted to have everything ready by today, but the sofa and the dining table and the chairs are not there yet, so I will have to make it work like this. But I think I'm gonna get them on Monday or Tuesday. I already got the email that they are on their way. So yeah, tomorrow dinner with friends, and on Sunday I'm having my family over for a afternoon snack, like something between lunch and dinner. And very happy last week being 28. I can't believe I'm gonna be 29. That's insane. It's crazy. But looking good. Yesterday I bought this on Marketplace. Here will be going the new couch. Sleeping in my new house, it's crazy. As I was driving back from the supermarket, I could not believe how into adulthood I am. I still feel like a kid, but I'm gonna be 29. I'm closer to 30 than to 20, and I still can't believe that this is happening. S'ha de...
A riure,